Have you ever struggled with poaching an egg perfectly? It can be a daunting task, but fear not, because today I'm going to share with you the secrets to achieving the perfect poached egg. Poached eggs have a long history and are a staple in many cuisines around the world. They are often seen as a luxurious and elegant dish, and for good reason. The soft, runny yolk surrounded by a delicate white is a thing of beauty. To achieve the perfect poached egg, there are a few essential elements you need to keep in mind. First and foremost, you need to start with fresh eggs. The fresher the egg, the better it will hold its shape when poaching. Additionally, a splash of vinegar in the water helps the egg whites coagulate faster, resulting in a neater poached egg. When it comes to water temperature, you want to aim for a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. The water should be just below boiling point, around 180 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. To create the perfect poached egg, you'll want to use the swirling technique. Gently swirl the water in a circular motion before adding the egg. This will help the egg whites wrap around the yolk. Cooking time is crucial when poaching an egg. For a runny yolk, cook the egg for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. It's all about personal preference. There are different methods for poaching eggs, such as using a vortex or poaching pods. The vortex method involves swirling the water and dropping the egg into the center of the whirlpool. Poaching pods are silicone molds that help shape the egg while it cooks. Experiment with different methods to see which one works best for you. I remember when I first started trying to poach eggs, it was a disaster. The whites would spread out in the water, and the yolks would break. But with practice and patience, I eventually mastered the art of poaching eggs. It's all about trial and error, so don't be discouraged if your first few attempts don't turn out perfectly. In summary, to achieve the perfect poached egg, start with fresh eggs, add a splash of vinegar to the water, use the swirling technique, and cook the egg for the desired amount of time. Experiment with different methods and find what works best for you. Anyone can benefit from mastering the art of poaching eggs, whether you're a beginner cook looking to impress your friends or a seasoned chef looking to perfect your technique. So go ahead, give it a try, and share your results in the comments section below. Happy poaching!